Jai Hind, dear students. Hope you are fine and fantastic at your home. So I am welcome you to all to the first module of our chapter, that is square and square roots. Before starting the chapter, first we discuss about square numbers. So what is a square number? For getting this answer, just we start the number and represent the number in the form of multiply or a product of two numbers. Like 1 can be written as 1 into 1. Okay, we can write 2 as 1 into 2 or 2 into 1. 3 can be represented as 1 into 3 or 3 into 1, both are same. 4 as 1 into 4, or one more way, that is 2 into 2. Okay, now how can we write 5? 5 can be written as 1 into 5. 6 can be written as 1 into 6 and 2 into 3 or 3 into 2. Now 7 as 1 into 7 only. 8 can be written as 1 into 8 or 2 into 4. 9 as 1 into 9 or 3 into 3. 10 as 1 into 10 or 2 into 5, right? Similarly 11 as 1 into 11 only. 12 as 1 into 12 or 2 into 6 or 3 into 4. Okay, now similarly we can write another number like 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16 and so on. If we look at these product carefully, so we can find some very interesting pattern. Like if you see these two numbers 1 into 1, that product, these 1 into 1, okay, like this 2 into 2, then we can also see this 3 into 3, 4 into 4, this number. So these numbers are multiplied by itself, right? So when the number is multiplied by itself, that number is called perfect square. So we can say that a number which can be represented as the product of the same number, okay, like 1 is written as 1 into 1, 4 can be written as 2 into 2, 9 can be written as 3 into 3, and 16 can be written as 4 into 4. So these 1, 4, 9 and 16 are called perfect square numbers. So in the same manner, we can find another perfect square by simply multiply 5 into 5. Okay, and the number is 25. So 5 into 5 is 25. The next perfect square number is what? That is 6 into 6 and the product is 36. Then next one is 7 into 7 and the product is 49. That can be 7 into 7. And next one is what? 8 into 8 and this one is 8 8s are 64 and so on. So in general we can say a square number is if a natural number m can be expressed as n square, where n is also a natural number, then m is a square number. That means when we multiply a number by itself, okay, like 3 is multiplied by 3, it will give a product that is 9. So this 9 is called a perfect square. 9 is called a square number because it is equal to the product of same number, that is 3 into 3. Square number can be expressed as a square, that means a into a. Okay, so I'm going to write first 10 square numbers for you, and these are 1 square, and the 1 square is 1 into 1, and the product is 1. Square of 1 is 1, right? What is square of 2? Square of 2 is 2 square, and these are, that is 2 into 2, and 2 into 2 is 4. Like this, 3 square is 3 into 3, and the product is 9. 4 square is 4 into 4, and the product is 16. Like this, we can write all the perfect square till 10. Okay, so for example, 36 is called, it is a perfect square of 6. 36 is a perfect square, and 36 is a square of 6. The same way, 100 is a perfect square of 10. 100 is a perfect square of 10. Okay, so this is all the introduction of perfect square. Now student, you have to write all the perfect square till 20. Okay, this is your homework now.